Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. Another week, another vlog. और आज है Thursday and I've gotten an Amazon delivery. I'm so excited. So first thing I got is this Remington का straightener. My hair straightener stopped working. मेरा इतना अच्छा straightener था Babyliss का, but it just doesn't straighten hair anymore. I feel like उसकी life जो है वो ख़त्म हो चुकी है. So अब मैंने लिया है Remington का. मैंने ये Amazon से ख़रीदा था and I saw amazing reviews this straightener. इतना महंगा भी नहीं था. This was I think around 25 pounds, which was like not as expensive as other straighteners. Yeah. Then we got these command strips. Basically ये जब आपके घर में आपको अपनी दीवार ख़राब नहीं करनी है तो आप like stick on strips मंगवाते हैं. So I've gotten a few just to see कि अगर हमारी pictures इनसे टिक रही हैं या नहीं. Then I got an apron. Love this apron, very excited because I will be cooking and I've like found a love for cooking for some reason. So I'm gonna be making some cooking videos and I thought that I needed an apron, so I got an apron. Lol. Then I got these under cabinet lights. ये हमारे किचन के लिए हैं, so they're gonna go like under this. मैंने अभी दो मंगवाई हैं just to test them out. तो अब ये हम एक यहाँ लगाएंगे और मतलब दो हैं, दो यहाँ लगेंगी, दो यहाँ लगेंगी and we have like electricity plugs. तो gonna do that. I can't believe जब आप बड़े होते हैं आप किन किन चीज़ों के लिए excited होते हैं. Like under cabinet lights is what I was excited about. Not clothes, not makeup, under cabinet kitchen lights. Adulting. Then we are going to a baby shower tomorrow. तो gift के लिए हमने एक ये rattle set मंगवाया है and then basically दो लोग जो हैं उनके बच्चे होने वाले हैं. They're both Numan's friends' wives, so technically they're now my friends as well. तो एक है सुम्बुल, एक है आयशा. So this is for Aisha's kid. एंड सुम्बुल के लिए हमने जो चीज़ मंगवाई है वो वी ऑलरेडी गॉट ने डिलीवर टू देयर हाउस क्योंकि उसको कैरी करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता. वी आर गोना मीट आयशा फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. Actually, no, we've met her पहले, but we're gonna meet her properly for the first time. So I just didn't know what to get, so I just got her toys. But I want to test out the straightener. Let's go see. ये हम test out करते हैं, देखते हैं कैसा है. London weather is not good for hair, so straightener बहुत must item हो गया है. Guys, okay. I was gonna go and check the straightener out, but Sugar Town ने ये मुझे brownies भेजी थी. I can't stop eating them. They're probably the best brownies I've ever had. Guys, if you are thinking of moving to the UK, but you also want like good air dried hair, UK is not the place because oh god, the weather here. मैंने ये अपने बाल कल धोए थे and they don't look great. I mean they feel pretty soft क्योंकि मैंने अपना scalp treatment इस्तेमाल किया था, which I am going through so quickly because my god the weather here. तो खैर hopefully straightener से मसला solve हो जाएगा. I'm probably just gonna straighten my hair and then they're gonna stay straight for a couple of days. तो we'll have good hair days. इसको रखा है 170 पे. I think I'm gonna do it to 160 because I don't want to burn my hair. But start करते हैं नीचे से because this is where the frizz is. Bismillah की बरकत. Oh, that is warm. Okay. Wow, that got warm so quickly. Wow! Guys, I'm afraid to do more क्योंकि ये काफ़ी गर्म है. Okay, perfect. Just look at that. I feel like अगर आपके frizzy या curly बाल हैं, then this would be perfect because this heats up so quickly. And कहाँ तक जाता है? 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230 तक जाता है. So I feel like this would be something if you have like super curly hair. My hair is straight, तो मैं इतना गर्म पे नहीं करूँगी because इतनी heat मुझे अपने बालों पे नहीं लगानी है. But my goodness, guys, this is so good. Like the shine. Oh, also it said that it has like the infused Moroccan argan oil technology, so it's supposed to like add shine. That was one of the key reasons why I bought this. Oh my goodness. Wow. मैंने ये अब 140 पे कर दिया है. Like, okay, I'm gonna try and see if I can like do the invert thing with my hair. Okay. Guys, love it. I'm gonna link this description में अगर आप लोगों को खरीदना है. Amazon से. I'm just gonna link it, and if you want, you can check it out. Guys, I feel like today is the day for packages. I placed an order on AliExpress, and I think 2 चीज़ें आ गई हैं. I can't wait to open it. Okay, so the first outfit is this dress, and honestly, it does not look like what I ordered in the picture. I mean, मैंने picture देख के वापस इसको देखा है, and it does look like the picture, but it's not like the picture. Like, you know, the fitting and everything, I feel like needs to be tighter. The sleeves need to be shorter. That's the thing with AliExpress. It's a hit and miss. And one more thing, मैंने ये shirt order किया, I forgot to order the pants. This was supposed to be a 2-piece. So I've just ordered the pants. Obviously I need the pants. So now ये 2-piece बिल्कुल बेकार लग रहा है. And then I also got a cardigan. This looks nice. I feel like I'm gonna like this. This is what the cardigan looks like. Obviously मैं इसके ऊपर तो नहीं पहनूंगी because बहुत off लग रहा है. But I like it. Look at the details of the sleeves. And I think sweater weather आने वाला है. It's a cute cardigan. I like it. Guys, I've got the cutest wrapping paper for the dawat tonight. जहाँ हम जा रहे हैं. Honestly, अगर मुझे कोई ये wrapping paper देता है, probably wouldn't have unwrapped my present. और मैं उसको इतने मज़े से उतारती और उसको अपने पास सेव करके रखती. This would be a really cute wallpaper. I also got some cards, tape. अब मैं वापस घर जा रही हूँ. All set for tonight. बहुत भूख लगी, नाश्ता नहीं किया था. So I'm just gonna go do some breakfast. I have a meeting today at 2:30, I think, so I'm gonna just eat and then hop in a meeting. Guys, Numan is going to be wrapping the gift, and I'm thinking that मैं उस picture को वहाँ लगा दूँ over there. I feel like that picture would look nice over there. Guys, these are the strips जो कि Amazon से आई थी. Let's hope they hold that painting up. I've cleaned the house, upstairs house, downstairs. आज मत नहीं किसी और दिन. But I've just taken a shower. Today is a proper pamper day. मैंने like नहाई, बाल धोए, scrubbed my feet. Like I got a new scrub from Superdrug, and my feet feel so clean. Like the dead skin off. Then I used my Sitosa Skin laser machine, or I can't vlog doing it because obviously I do it with my clothes off, so I can't film that, but I love it. This is the new one. मेरे पास इनकी पुरानी वाली थी, and I used to use it घर पे just to like top up, but क्योंकि कराची में I used to get like a lot of my laser sessions every month, so मैंने top up like मैं घर पे use नहीं करती थी, but here obviously I've gotten my laser sessions complete, like पूरे हो गए. So I just stop up using this, and I'm using this in my on my underlegs to see के घर पे कैसे results आते हैं. तो I do that like once or twice a week. So I want to give you guys one review of this cleanser. This is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Youth to the People cleanser, and oh my god guys, game changer. Numan loves it as well. जब इतनी जल्दी इतना हो चुका है. I got it from Canada, but ये यहाँ पे भी मिलता है. I saw it on Amazon, and it's actually cheaper here. So I'm going to link it in my description. By the way, I am now going to link a lot of stuff in my description because I feel like it's easier to find stuff and link it here. I'm just going to put moisturizer on now. मेरी एक meeting है आधे घंटे में, so I want to eat something before the meeting, make my hair, and then iron the clothes I'm going to wear शाम. I'm excited शाम के लिए. हमारे घर से 1 घंटे का रास्ता है, मगर बल्कि 1.5 घंटे का रास्ता है. सीधी ट्रेन है मगर 1.5 घंटे का रास्ता है. We are going to East London in Beckton, so it's a little far from here. but hopefully it's going to be fun. Let's go. Cream ली थी, I think Glycomad. I think this is some sort of medicinal cream, but this is so good. मेरे पाँव ना बहुत dry हो जाते हैं, and this is the perfect cream. Like इसको लगाने के बाद I have noticed, like legit, I have noticed that my feet do not get that dry. Like हफ्ता तो गुजर जाते हैं with soft feet after scrubbing them. So highly recommend. Okay, मेरी dressing table अभी तक नहीं आई है. My nail polishes are in this bag, so I'm thinking कि आज एक nail polish लगाई जाए. I am going to take one out and see which one I want to use. I'm gonna go with this one, gel like nail polish by Color Studio 05. lol, I think मैंने दराज से ली थी. I'll link it. Start होने में भी आधा घंटा and I am hungry, so I'm thinking of making these stuffed garlic and stuffed cheese and garlic stuffed mushrooms. घर में और कुछ है नहीं खाने का. Actually this is all that we have and I don't think इससे पेट भरेगा, but आसरा हो जाएगा. We can also गर्मोफाई the corn. Actually let me take those out. corn गरम कर लेते हैं, mushroom खा लेते हैं. I think we should be good. Done my hair. There we go. मैंने straighten किया है with the new straightener. I've just kept it, I think, lowest setting pe, but I think it's done a really good job. Look at that. This is the straightener, Joe. This is the straightener, the Remington one. I'm not wearing this. I have to pick Alian up, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं कपड़े आके change करूँ. Yeah, love the hair. I think it looks lovely. Guys, we're all set to leave. This is my outfit. Let's go. We're gonna pick Ali first, and then we have quite the journey. Guys, remember I told you we're going to a baby shower? This is it. The food looks yum, and oh my god, the cake. Alian's trying to blow a candle, which is an electric candle. No, a cell candle. Ali, ये blow नहीं होती है, baby.
हमारे कपड़े चलना है.
इधर बॉडीगार्ड में जल्दी कैसे बहुत कर रहा है मुझे.
ये क्या है?
आपके वजह से वो सही लगा देंगे, अब देख लेना.
Nami, where are we?
We're in our kids'
Sports day.
Sports day.
Yeah, in a park. Basically, Alian को join किए हुए सिर्फ हफ्ता ही हुआ है, so we don't really know anyone here, but we're here, and it was nice. अच्छा sunny day था, nice sporting activities. It was a good time. अब हम coffee ले रहे हैं, and then we might leave. This is a nice little restaurant here. Quite pretty. Yay! फू करने वाले फू करें. दूर, मुंह से दूर रख के. Guys, we're trying to teach Alian how to do the foo.
फू करें. छोटा सा.
Nah. No, that would look so bad. Guys, I think यहाँ ऊपर थोड़ा ऊंचा करके लगाते हैं, हाँ, तो फिर वो step down करते जाएंगे gradually. Guys, we're putting up pictures. Sadly, we'll only be able to put one up because we are out of the picture strips. हमने एक ये लगाई है और एक ये लगाई है. Rest, I think हमें कील इस्तेमाल करेंगे. इसके लिए तो करनी पड़ेगी because this is a heavy one. But I want the light ones to just. कौन से rider? There we go. We're thinking of doing all our small photos like gradually on this wall, on this wall. There we go. That looks nice. I have also ordered some under cabinet lights because मुझे kitchen में लगानी है. तो अब ये जो है ना, इसको figure out करेंगे husband dearest. Let us see. I think पहले यहाँ लगाते हैं क्योंकि उसका plug बिल्कुल उधर ही है. And then if these are successful, I'll order for this as well. Basically मैंने testing के लिए मंगवाई है, see if they work and if you like them. Guys, Naman finally got them running. Except ये ना मैंने गलती से screw वाली मंगवा ली है. So we're gonna find double-sided tape and we're gonna put it up. So how many more do I need to order, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, look. There we go. Does it look nice?
Yeah.
Can't wait to get more. It's turning out to be a cooking day. मैं बना रही हूँ tikka chicken. Nom's making. What are you making? Beef fried rice. Yeah, beef fried rice. तो चावल हो गए, beef marinate हो गया. We need to fry that and do some cooking, and then we're all done. After 2 or 3 hours of cooking, we have the beef chili dry. Ganna. Let's eat. Hello, Ali. How you do? Are you eating a chocolate? Okay. Guys, आज हम आए हैं Furnival Gardens. हम यहाँ पे बहुत आया करते थे जब हम लोग हैमरस्मिथ में रहते थे. Since we have moved, we've only come here sometimes. Big moon. Oh, that's such a big moon, Ali. Yeah. तो आज हम लोग आए हैं ऐसे ही निकल के घर से. We wanted to get some मसाले. हमारे एरिया में नहीं मिले तो we've come to Hammersmith. We usually get our masales from here because it's close. And yeah, we're here at Furnival. This is a really nice place. Furnival Gardens. I think काफ़ी underrated जगह है. अगर आप tourist हैं तो I think आप शायद यहाँ ना आएँ. But I would highly recommend. It's a very like peaceful location and I like it. It has like a nice riverside walk और एक bridge बना हुआ है. It's very pretty. So we're just sitting by the river and I think we're debating and then we might go home. What are you doing, Ali? Guys, today is Wednesday and it's cleaning day. Honestly, अगर आपको मेरा घर हमेशा messy लगता है, it's not because I don't clean. I clean every day. Like literally, I clean all day every day, and it still looks like this. Thanks to this guy. Naughty. So आज का plan है bedsheet change, gonna vacuum. मैंने Friday को की थी, so it's been like 4 or 5 days since we vacuumed. So we're gonna vacuum, clean the bathrooms, get rid of the bed sheets. Are you gonna help me? Are you sure? Okay. Are you gonna help me or are you gonna destroy everything? Help? Okay. Let's see if he helps. Let's go. Hello. आज है Thursday and I am going to go meet Ramsha, also known as Ramshuza. आलियान को मैंने drop किया है. Today is a free day and basically आज मैं काम करती हूँ, but क्योंकि हम कल एक trip पे जा रहे हैं, I am just keeping it light because आज काफ़ी सारी packing करनी है, काफ़ी सारा खाना बना के कल के लिए pack करना है. So I'm meeting Ramsha because I had a little bit of time. And I wanted to show you my outfit. ये मैंने टॉप ख़रीदा था कनाडा से and it's so cute. Like I used to love wearing ये जो baby collar type dresses हैं. पहले जब मैंने ये पहना I was like ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने कोई school uniform पहना हुआ है. But that's okay. I like it. Wearing these pants that fit me again. And these shoes which I got from Vivia. I don't know how to pronounce that. और साथ में क्योंकि मोनोक्रोम काफ़ी नहीं था तो मैं बोला और मोनोक्रोम लेते हैं. आई एम टेकिंग दिस बैग विद मी. और ये मैंने अली एक्सप्रेस से ख़रीदा था. इट्स अ बकेट बैग एंड आई लव इट. इसमें इतनी चीज़ें फिट आ जाती हैं. लव लव लव. सो दिस इज़ द लुक. मैंने बाल स्ट्रेट कर लिए हैं. दीज विल लास्ट मी होपफुली फॉर 2 days विच इज़ ग्रेट. क्योंकि जब आपको अपने बाल नहीं करने होते ना तो सीन जो है वो काफ़ी अच्छा होता है. So yeah, let's go meet her. We're going to a gelato shop. Let's go. There she is. Hello, may I know? Yes, yes, you are. And I came here and I was like, am I at the right place? Because she's not here. Yeah. Okay, let's go. मैंने काफ़ी सुना है इसके बारे में, but मैं कभी गई नहीं है अंदर.
और हम अनुषा की वीडियो की फुटेज चोरी कर लेंगे.
Hello. एक दूसरे के फ़ोन देखें हमें. This is the ice cream. ये थोड़ी सी पिघल रही है. I need to be fast. This is Gelateria Dani Ali. Apparently ये बहुत popular place है यहाँ पे. And I've just got biscuit and bueno. 2 of my favorite things ever. And they're really, really good. Ramsha is getting a hot chocolate. Guys, okay, so I had a lovely chat with Ramsha. We spoke about everything, I think.
Mostly babies.
Mostly babies, because let's be honest. Why wouldn't we? That's life. But yeah, we're gonna head home. Just gonna go back to work. But see you soon, inshallah. See you. Bye.